Hello and welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to create online courses with Promptmate. And not just that, I'm also very happy to announce our own online course. At the end of this video, not only you will have free access to this course, but you will also be able to build your own once that you understand how easy it is with Promptmate to create online courses, right? So before we get into how we build this course, let's just log in for two reasons. One, to show you how easy it is to log in, and second, what it looks like from the inside, right? So all you have to do is click on the get free course button right here. Let's think for a moment, is this one? I've already signed up with it, but yeah, you can just try with your own email, and all you have to do is just put your email and click on get our course now, and then this pop-up will show up. Thanks, the username and password are being emailed to you right now. Check your inbox. So the email looks something like this. Is just two steps. One, get into the landing page, right? I'll do this probably with incognito because I'm already logged in. So I'll just copy link address, and then you click enroll now, and then use the credentials, which is step 2, right? All you have to do is use the credentials. So this is the email, right? And this is the password. And then you click on sign in, right? And here you are. You click start learning. It's not visible. This is still work in progress. It's just a little thing that we have to fix. And this is the course, right? So all you have the modules in here, 4 modules full of videos. And let's say you want to play this video lesson, and all you have to do is just
Welcome to this lesson on understanding how large language models, or LLMs, are trained. Analyze the models.
So this is the course. I'll give you the link to it in the description under this video. Now, let me explain to you how we were able to create this and why is it so special. So our first step was to extract and group all the best top generative AI courses out there, right? We were able to extract based on Google Search.extender the best ones, look at their reviews, why people were liking them, but also trying to see why one was better than the other. And once that we had the best top 10, then we kind of grouped them and used AI to then kind of analyze their table of contents, do some content gap analysis, and then come up with our own course outline. So this course outline is special for 2 reasons, right? One, it has the elements and the topics that top best courses out there have. So because people like those, we thought it was very important for us to have as well in our outline. And 2 is because thanks to the content gap analysis, we were able to kind of find out what was missing. Although those courses were doing very well, students were reviewing them with 5 stars, etc., we kind of also said, what can we add more to this? How can we make them even more valuable, right? So that's what we did. We are able to get the best topics out there and also add to the mix our own ingredients, special ingredients, right? So then the next step was to create a template on Promptmate that would create lessons for our courses. It would just generate all the lesson text copy content, first of all. Then it would convert that content into scripts, right? So that's what we did. We created the lesson scripts, and then we generated the voice with our OpenAI text-to-speech model in Promptmate. Then we created the slides. Then, thanks to Code Interpreter, which is amongst the models that Promptmate has, we were able to then get all these slides and turn them into PowerPoint presentations that we could easily download directly from Promptmate, right? So for the lesson scripts, it's worth mentioning that what we did for the content to be extra valuable, we were able to kind of use examples and knowledge besides the knowledge that AI has, right? In the most advanced AI models have. We also thought of adding to it the best knowledge and examples that were ranking on Google for that specific topic or question or query, right? Because again, thanks to our Google Search.extender, we could look at top 10 Google search results for each topic, each lesson, and kind of analyze all those ranking URLs. And then based on the top 3 URLs, we would extract all the examples from those blog articles or web pages and put those into our own online courses. So when you watch our course, you are free of fear of missing out, because you do know that no knowledge exists out there that hasn't been taken into consideration when made this lesson. And then the only, let's say, manual work that we did is the slides design on Canva, the course lesson, right? So let me just now show you on Promptmate what it looks like. So first of all, this is an example of extracting the best courses out there. We're using Google Gemini, and I'm pretty sure you're familiar that Gemini has a context window larger than any other model, so it can process more input, more text input, and as you can see, yeah, it's doing that very well. And then based on those, we were kind of generating everything. So for example, this is creating the content for module 3.3.1, and then it's generating the slides, right? As I said, it's just still slides on text. As you can see, just the title and then the subheading text. So then on the next prompt, we will turn them into audio, all these scripts with OpenAI text-to-speech. And as you can see,
welcome to Module 3, Lesson 3.3.1 on Advanced.
We created all the narrations for the lessons. And once the template was saved, all we had to do is just run it by adding the all lessons in here, lesson section, number of the lesson, and then this was for the knowledge and examples that we wanted to extract from Google search, as we said, for just the name of the topic, and yeah, and course lesson topic, which is this one, just to kind of guide the AI to know what it's doing and have some controlled results, right? This is what it looks like, all the slides and everything, and then all the audios for each slide, right? And of course, here also the creation of the PowerPoint slide, that all you have to do to download is just click in here or just save link as, and I'll show you just as an example. So yeah, just save the PowerPoint, and this is what it would look like, the course, before we imported it on Canva. So this is yeah. So yes, this is it. I'll manage to give you all the details in the description under this video. This course is very special to us because it's the first course, and it helps users that are AI enthusiasts become better, not just learning about generative AI, but even become really experienced with prompt engineering and even real world applications, right? With such a data-driven course design that is the result of really analyzing everything out there about this. We are AI experts ourselves, and we were able to really approve the content generated before getting it out there for all the students that want to freely join this course. I think this is an incredible way of, it's actually a new way of doing online courses, because online courses were kind of not standardized before. When we distribute knowledge and information, this is top information and top knowledge based on these objective metrics, right, and standards. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.